What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at Tesla stock, guys. So let's take a look at going into this week. Will Tesla fall much lower? What is the price action telling us? Or is there a possibility that Tesla can go up back again? Is the price action or the structure showing any of that to us? We'll talk about all of that in this video. And with that, please hit the like and subscribe if you find my videos valuable and helpful. And also, please remember, none of this is any financial advice. This is only for education purposes. My intentions out of my videos are to teach you how to trade. And I have given you a lot of my trades as well ahead of times. And 80% of the times, we have been 80% plus of the time we have been super profitable. And as I say, always have a stop loss because we trade with the structure. And once if structure starts to change, we need to make sure we have our stop loss so that in the long run, we are net profitable by having small losses and bigger profits. And if you have been following my videos, you know already everything about all of it, okay? So guys, thanks for all of your support. I received a lot of great emails and a lot of great messages from all of you thanking. So I really appreciate that, and it really makes me humble to listen to all of those emails that how they have been helpful. My content, how educational content has been helpful for you. So thanks for that. All right, let's begin with Tesla here. So with Tesla, guys, we have been in a lower high right now, right? We had all these great runs, right? We went to pretty much the target, actually, we were targeting of $200, almost very close. And then this pullback that we were looking at, and we did get a good out rebound as well. But then that pullback, and I said that back then that, guys, if this forms a lower high and we start to lose this $180, this is a change of structure and weakness will come, and that's what has been happening. We have been heading lower, and this is where I called out this below 180 is the start of the change of structure on this thing, at least to cool off down to these areas close to $160 or 50 and 20 days moving average as well. So we have been getting that as per how things we have been discussing. Now what we have is Tesla has these lower highs, right? On daily interval, we have another lower high. You can see it here. We have formed a pivot as well around it, right? So yes, it's been going down, and that's what we have been saying, that we are in the downtrend, right? So is there something in the price structure here that I'm seeing that Tesla has a potential to go up? Well, at least in the candle structure right now on the daily, I'm not seeing any of that. I'm not seeing any structure to the upside potential right now. We'll go to the lower time frames in just a second. But what we are, yes, we are above 20 days moving average. And Junior Trader, look at it, it's at 20 days moving average. That means it's time to buy. No. It's at 20 days moving average. That means it's an important area to watch the price action, what it's doing here. Okay, so yes, we are at 20 days moving average, but at the same time, what I'm showing you, lower highs and lower lows, and right now we are not seeing any structure that shows me to the upside. So seeing the structure at 20 days moving average, at least on daily, I'm not seeing anything that is showing me that we are changing structure to the upside. Okay, so let's go to the 4 hours interval. And you can see that in the post market, we are at 167 and 50 cents almost. So what it is, we are already below 20 days moving average. So if I mark it, so in the post market, let me mark this here, 20 days moving average first. All right. And let's go to the hourly interval. You can see we are already below that in the post market. So price structure is right now not showing me any signs that it's it's not showing me any signs that it has any upside right now. It's not. And now, however, look, we have to look at where the structure possibly may change, right? So here's the thing. Yes, we are at very close to 20 days moving average, but if we want to find a support here in the price action and the structure, what we want to see is Tesla getting out and above of the previous pivot points. At least on Monday, at least it will start to kick in some bullishness on in this thing back again. So for that, if Monday we get above 170, it may start to look good again back to the long side. If we reject $170, then this is still a continuation to the downside. So what if we get above 170? Will it become fully bullish back to the upside? Oh, sorry guys. Not really. Why so? This will be a start of a rebound back to the upside. Then 175 is what we are watching, and then this 200 hours moving average is what we are watching if it's going to provide it an underneath resistance. So technically, we can get some intraday long plays above 170 on Monday, but is the structure like full on buy and hold forever? No. Tesla has an uphill battle right now to change the structure back fully to the upside. Okay, so but level by level is what we want to see. Intraday starts to turn into swing, and so we want to get out first above of 170, and then that will start to make it go at least higher, and then we'll see what happens with the price action. But if it can't get above 170, okay, and we start to fail or reject, you should see price at 172 as well. This is also an area where it potentially either can go up to in the rebound or reject as well. That's where also we have a strong resistance. Okay, so this is more of an rebounds in that uptrend in the sorry, this is more like an intraday long plays in the rebounds. It's not changing the structure as fully buy and hold. That's not the swing. With that, guys, there is, as the direction is down here, and if Tesla can't even recapture any of this upside, it has a room to continue to fall down to this 160 to $164, and that's where is what I have been saying that is the next level we have to watch the price action at, if it's going to hold support or not, because that will be a potential area for an inverted head and shoulder. All right, so that's where we have another possibility if this holds. If we fail 160 and 164 as well, guys, yeah, you are watching the level of 152 and lower. When I'll show you options data, not today, well, yes, today, but in another video. But yeah, you will soon see where the calls and the puts are sitting. But what I'm saying is right now that direction is not looking to the upside. If we want to start to get back to the upside, we need to first start to get above on Monday $170 and 50 days moving average, which is at 172 pretty much, where I showed you another level. That will start to push in some at least intraday, but on the swing, it's not gonna be looking bullish. Okay. For that, we need to recapture some more level to the upside. There's some more structural changes we have to see on Tesla. But until then, intraday is only for it. So for the long, it's only intraday. Yeah, since the direction is to the downside, guys, this thing still has a room to continue lower if structure is not changing to the upside as for the levels I gave you. So that will bring Tesla down to at least, well, 160 and 164, and we have to see if the price action holds its support here for inverted head and shoulder. And if that doesn't happen, yeah, then for Tesla to become bullish again, that's a quite a big uphill battle then. Yeah. Then yeah, you are expecting this thing to continue lower. Well, and we'll talk about the price action when as it evolves. Okay. Okay. So going back to the hourly interval again, guys. Yeah, I would be more confident bullish again if it gets above this coming week, above 175 and above also this 200 hours moving average. Yeah. Yeah. Otherwise, yeah, just rewind the video and see what I said. It's pretty much that. Let's go to the weekly interval as well before wrapping up this video, and let's talk a couple of things over there because we had quite a good breakout to the upside. We then started rejecting that upper side of the channel. and also 20 weeks moving average, and this week has been red. Now, it's the same thing, guys. This 100 and 164, I would say, is on the weekly, and this is what I also said a possibility in one of my previous week video as well, that if on weekly we hold this 160 and $164, this is also a massive bullish sign on Tesla on the weekly to break out back again above this channel to the upside. That can bring Tesla. Then if weekly we can confirm an inverted head and shoulder and a support, and we break this pivot level of 175 back up again on a green candle, that opens up the door to 225 or so. Okay, it opens up the door, right? So, and again, we have to still trade level by level interval basis, but that's how I'm reading the Tesla price action. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I'll be doing another video today later that will be talking about the Tesla's options. So if you're interested, please hit the like, subscribe, and so that you are notified as well, hit the bell icon button as well. And with that, guys, I'll see you in my next video. That's all for Tesla. All right, guys, bye.